Welcome to ByteBuzz Innovations, the hub where creativity meets the road. Today, we're diving into a project that's perfect for anyone who's dreaming of transforming a compact car into the ultimate adventure companion. Imagine taking the already impressive 2025 Dacia Sandero and giving it a makeover that's ready for rugged trails, scenic road trips, and weekend getaways. Sound exciting? Stick around because we're going to show you exactly how to make it happen. Alright, let's kick things off with a quick hook to set the tone. Did you know the 2025 Dacia Sandero is not only one of the most affordable compact cars on the market but also one of the most customizable? Whether you're an off-road enthusiast or someone who loves the idea of turning a city car into a camping marvel, this video is for you. We're about to walk you through the steps to turn your Sandero into a versatile adventure machine that fits your style, budget, and needs. Let's dive in. Step 1. Wheels and tires. The foundation of any adventure vehicle is a solid set of wheels and tires. The stock Sandero comes with standard road tires, but for adventure purposes, you'll want to upgrade to all-terrain or mud-terrain tires. These tires offer better grip and durability on uneven surfaces. Pair them with lightweight, durable alloy wheels for improved performance and a stylish look. You'll be amazed at how this simple upgrade changes both the appearance and capability of your car. When choosing tires, consider your primary adventure terrain. Are you heading into the mountains, cruising through deserts, or sticking to gravel paths? Brands like BF Goodrich or Falken have excellent options for all-terrain tires. And don't forget to keep a spare tire that matches your new setup. You never know when you might need it. Step 2. Suspension upgrades. Next up is the suspension. The Sandero's stock suspension is great for city driving but might feel a little too soft for off-road adventures. Upgrading to a raised suspension kit will give you extra ground clearance, allowing you to tackle rocky trails and uneven roads with ease. Look for kits that offer a balance between comfort and capability. You'll still want a smooth ride for highway stretches. Adding coilovers or upgraded shocks can further enhance your car's ability to handle rugged terrain. If you're not sure where to start, consult a local mechanic or off-road specialist to ensure your suspension setup aligns with your adventure goals. Step 3. Roof rack and storage. For adventure-ready storage, a roof rack is essential. It provides extra space for carrying gear like tents, bikes, kayaks, or even a rooftop cargo box. Look for aerodynamic designs to minimize wind resistance and noise during drives. Thule and Yakima are popular brands that offer durable and versatile roof rack systems. Consider adding accessories like a roof basket or crossbars for even more storage flexibility. A rooftop tent is another excellent addition, especially for overnight adventures. It's easy to set up, keeps you off the ground, and adds a cool factor to your Sandero. Step 4. Interior comfort and utility. The interior is where you'll spend most of your time, so it's important to make it both comfortable and functional. Start with all-weather floor mats to keep the interior clean. They're a must-have for muddy boots and wet gear. Next, invest in seat covers that are durable, water-resistant, and easy to clean. Brands like WeatherTech or Covercraft offer great options tailored for compact cars. If you're planning long road trips, consider upgrading your infotainment system with a touchscreen that supports navigation, music streaming, and off-road maps. Storage solutions are also key. Add organizers to the trunk, back seat, or even under the seats. These can hold essentials like tools, first aid kits, and emergency supplies. A portable fridge or cooler can be a game-changer for keeping drinks and snacks fresh during long trips. Step 5. Lighting enhancements. Proper lighting is crucial for nighttime adventures. The Sandero's stock headlights are adequate for city driving, but you'll want to upgrade to LED or HID lights for better visibility on dark trails. Add a light bar to the roof or front bumper for even more illumination. This is especially useful for off-road driving or setting up camp after sunset. Fog lights and rear work lights are additional upgrades to consider. They'll help you navigate challenging weather conditions and provide extra visibility when reversing in tight spots. Step 6. Exterior protection. Adventure often comes with its fair share of scrapes and dings. Protect your Sandero with accessories like skid plates, which shield the undercarriage from rocks and debris. Add side steps or rock sliders to protect the doors and make it easier to access the roof rack. A front bull bar or grille guard can also provide extra protection while giving your car a rugged appearance. Don't forget to install mud flaps to keep dirt and stones from damaging the paintwork. Step 7. Power and performance. If you're serious about adventures, consider tuning your Sandero's engine for better performance. A cold air intake system can improve airflow, while a performance exhaust can enhance power and fuel efficiency. These upgrades not only boost the car's capability but also add a sporty sound that's bound to turn heads. For off-grid adventures, invest in a portable power station or dual battery system. This will allow you to charge devices, power lights, and even run small appliances without relying on the car's primary battery. Step 8. Adventure accessories. Now comes the fun part, accessorizing. Here are a few must-haves for your Sandero adventure build. Portable air compressor, essential for inflating tires after off-road adventures. Recovery gear. Items like tow straps, shackles, and a recovery board can be lifesavers if you get stuck. Awning. Attach a retractable awning to the roof rack for instant shade and shelter. Camping gear. Compact stoves, folding chairs, and portable tables make camping trips more enjoyable. Final touches and personalization. The last step is to make your Sandero uniquely yours. Add decals, custom paint accents, or wraps to reflect your personality. Small details like colored lug nuts, valve caps, or even a custom horn sound can add character to your ride. Take a moment to step back and admire your creation. Your 2025 Dacia Sandero has transformed from a reliable city car into a head-turning adventure machine. Whether you're hitting the trails, exploring new cities, or simply enjoying a weekend drive, your upgraded Sandero is ready to handle it all. Before we wrap up, let's recap. From wheels and suspension to lighting and interior upgrades, each step we've discussed brings you closer to the ultimate adventure car. Remember, customization is all about making your vehicle work for you. So don't be afraid to experiment and have fun with the process. And there you have it. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to ByteBuzz Innovations for more exciting content like this. Drop a comment below if you've customized your Dacia Sandero or if you have tips for fellow adventurers. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Until next time, keep innovating, keep exploring, and as always, stay driven. Thanks for watching ByteBuzz Innovations.